PSA, if you're on Verizon, you might want to turn off 5G to get faster speeds. That's right. That's right, Will.
Okay.
You want the fastest cellular connection on your device, then don't use the fastest connection on your device. Wait, what? But you marketed it to me. Wait, what? I got the logo in the top. It says 5G. And so I feel fast. And actually, that's what turns out most of what that logo is doing right now.
Cool.
Existing to make you feel fast, though you're not fast. So it was actually PC Mag. They performed a variety of tests in New York. And because New York has coverage, they even have some of the millimeter wave stuff, but that's not part of this test because it's very infrequent. It has about the range of Wi-Fi. So you're barely ever going to be able to connect to it. It would be amazing if you always could, but that's a special flavor of 5G. We're just talking about regular 5G you would normally be connected to. Anyway, they ran tests on an iPhone 12 Pro toggling 5G and 4G at the same locations, and both times the 5G turned in worse results than the 4G LTE. The iPhone 12 was taken to 8 locations around New York City, and when compared, at the first 7 locations, 5G was generally slower than 4G. So obviously this doesn't help you sell phones when you're trying to, I mean, you remember the 5G guy on the Apple event? 5G,
Oh, yeah.
5G. He said 5G like 1,000 times, the guy from Verizon. Yeah, you need a new marketing term, so you're going to say it. And as far as companies are concerned, Verizon has historically been the one that's going to have the best shot at delivering performance. And they certainly do with the millimeter wave stuff, but just most people will never experience that on their current phone. There'll be many generations of phones between now and then before these new technologies are even barely available to certain regions, if ever, for that matter. So anyways, the reason for this is apparently 5G on this system reuses parts of the 4G channels, which automatically prefer a 5G network over a 4G. So Verizon customers will see the 5G icon pop up. So they want to get that 5G icon on people's phones, but it's all for show. Recent tests using an iPhone 12 Pro show the opposite. And the results are similar to tests that took place in Chicago on a completely separate phone on a Pixel 5. Same situation. So for most customers, they can use 4G for the time being. And I don't know why that is. If you don't have any dedicated channels, DSS lets you see the odds and ends of your unused 4G channels. The only difference is that the 5G ones are running the 5G encoding system on that channel. So I mean, it's not a significant performance difference, but it is interesting nonetheless. Either way, we kind of suspected that it was mostly a marketing thing for now, and it turns out at least this evidence seems to indicate that's the case.